Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you will install Docker in your macOS. So basically Docker is the containerization of application. So basically it will save time, resources. So uh, in testing purpose we need to install in our own OS. How we will do that? Uh, let's start with searching Docker for macOS. Docker for Mac. So install Docker on Mac. So download from Docker Hub. So they will ask for my sign-in ID. Let me check whether this one is my sign-in ID. Probably it will not be my sign-in ID. I don't know. Okay. Download Docker desktop for Mac. So I'm clicking on that. Okay, it will take some time. So after, yeah, I am downloading my Docker. The next step will be first to open Mac terminal on Windows PowerShell and download a fun example. This repository contain everything you need to create your first container. So I need to go to terminal first. So after installation, so let's wait for the installation to download complete and we'll go for that one. Before that, we will see some of the basic Docker commands. Docker run, Docker start, Docker stop, Docker Docker build, Docker pull. So here there are some of the examples here. Yeah, this one is something good, I guess. No, they are not defining all of the details. So we will go to where Docker commands you should know. So probably this one will give more information. Create, start, run, ls, list run. Yeah, this one is something good, I guess. Docker container my command. So create a container from an image. You need to mention the image name. Delete by rm. Okay, right now our download is ready right now. I'm just opening that. Okay, I am finished that. I am dragging that into my application. So I am copying that into my application right now. Right now I am just clicking on to start that. Verify in Docker. Okay, then I'm just opening. Okay, so I need to give my password here in this situation. Okay, restart my Docker. Probably it will solve that issue. Okay, so terminal, I will go. I'm not sure whether this work right now. Okay, so Docker is installed in my system right now. I can see the version, build, everything is there. So right now what I'm going to do is I can close this one. I can go to the, yeah, this one. They are saying like we need to clone some repository here. It include everything. So I am just cloning that. I am pasting that here. Again to explore requires admin privilege. So I need to run something here. So I am going to run here paste. So I need to give my password. You have not agreed to that. No, you must agree to both. Hit enter. Okay. I need to type agree here. Okay, so right now we are fine. We are going to download this one. So right now I clone that particular one. Then we will go to the next step. So what I'm going to do here, I already download some repository from Git. Right now I am going to insert that one and I am running a build. Cannot connect to the Docker daemon. Is Docker daemon running on this host? Dell Unix. No such file or directory. So basically I am getting an error here. I will search that error. Okay, so okay, so basically we have some issues here. I don't know the exact solution right now. So this way we can install. So probably I will try something else here. I guess not this one. This is a video recording. There was an example for Docker Hello World. Yeah, Docker run Hello World. I don't know whether it will be going to run. Uh, let's see whether it's going to work or not. Okay, cannot connect to the Docker daemon. So actually we have some is the Docker daemon is running. So in my case there is some issues with the Docker. So probably in my next video I will add some other things. I mean I will solve this issue and come with some useful Docker commands. So thank you for watching right now. So I guess I can solve this right now. Let me try some of the solutions. If something is there, I will do that right now. Else, I guess you guys can do yourself. Okay, something is wrong. I don't know, so many places they are not mentioning the exact solution. So solution is sudo username, your username. Paramban. So my username is Numan Paramban. User mode command not found. Let me restart to restart Docker. Okay, sudo will not work anymore. So I need to restart my service. Okay, there is some issues. I need to find Mac here. Mac OS install. I guess I already did this step, so probably I will try once again to make sure. Okay, okay. For the next video, I will solve this issue and I will come with some of the useful